Hey everybody, JD here again. Welcome back to the channel. Little update on the Blue Fox project. Been doing some mocking up of parts, getting some parts cleaned up. I had the roll cage together, but when I was putting it inside the car, it decided it was going to come apart a little bit, but that's all right. Good thing I was trying to do a mock-up because I realized I'm supposed to have some what refers to the instructions right here as metal axle pins. I do not have any metal axle pins. I don't know. It is a good chance that when I was taking stuff out of the bag, they ended up on the floor in the carpet monster, or maybe they ended up in the trash. I already took out the trash. So I'm not going to go rummage through it to look for them. I don't know where they're at. So I made a real quick trip this afternoon to the video store, the hobby shop, and I got me some brass wire, some, I believe it's 1/16 brass rod. Oh, I'm going to cut it. I took my parts tree right here. It fits in there pretty nice. I'm going to cut it off, cut the pieces, about 4 pieces off, and put them through to make axles out of them, and see how that works. I don't care if the car rolls or not. I just want to make sure the wheels will fall off. So I got a few more things to do. Like I said, I've been cleaning parts, getting them ready for paint. I used hopefully I used canopy glue, good old canopy glue, to put the parts together. And I'm hoping that they will come back apart. I'm gonna go throw it in the sink or throw it in a pot of warm water. It'll help wash the parts and hopefully break the glue apart. And it's coming along pretty good. I'm having fun, getting ideas. I'm supposed to get some something in the mail today, I hope. I also bought some, while I went there, I bought some gold paint. I don't know if that's the right color for carburetors, but that's what I'm going to paint it. Probably not going to see it anyway, and I really don't. I'm like trying to think about what I'm going to use for an air cleaner. I was going to use the chrome one, and I might not. Depends. I might order one because there's somebody who makes some really nice, actually turned metal air cleaners, custom air cleaners. I forgot who showed them online. Somebody did. One of the video channels I was watching showed these really nice air cleaners. So I might see if I can't find one of those. It's kind of a shame to cover up the beautiful carburetors that Iceman Collections makes, because they're really sweet. I actually got my spark plug wires in, but I ended up leaving them at my ex-wife's house when I went over to do laundry, and so I'll have to, those will wait until probably next weekend. I'll go get them. And basically I'm only working on this thing on the weekends because that's the only time I have. I spent most of today on the phone with my natural gas supplier, wondering why my bill went from $90 to $400. And wow, that was a shocker. But anyway, I don't know if I'm going to do a mail call this afternoon. Like I said, I'm supposed to get a kit in the mail. It might be later tonight. Hopefully it comes in. It's supposed to be in this afternoon. The UPS store will send me an email if it shows up. And I might have a video for that. I might not. Maybe we can just consider that buying the wire and buying this gold paint, that could be my stash update, I guess. But I'm going to go soak this puppy in some warm water, and I will probably won't be this week unless I have an early day, but I might start putting some primer on these things, because I'm like really looking forward to using this blue. I think this blue is going to look great on this car. Hence the name Blue Fox Project. But anyway, excuse me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.